the CA605 case to counter. To assemble your CA605 case to counter, begin by unpacking all of the components, including the countertop and 4 support poles. Place the case lid flat on the floor and install the 4 support poles by threading them securely into position. Next, lower the case base onto the support poles and align each pole with the corresponding mounting hole. Once assembled, position the counter frame in a clean area to prepare for graphic installation. To install the graphic, always start from the top and pull the graphic down over the counter frame. Make sure the zipper is centered on the back of the assembly. Adjust the fabric as needed to remove wrinkles and ensure a smooth, professional appearance. Place the countertop onto the assembly and press down until it is fully seated. Congratulations! Your CA605 case to counter is now assembled and ready for use. Thank you for choosing Mod Displays.